The Hawaiian Pie Company actually started back in 1979 when my in-laws, they moved to Honolulu and they opened a little bakery in Manoa Valley. That operation actually lasted from 1980 to the mid-1990s. And at that point, my in-laws said they just wanted to retire and go back to the Big Island. And during that time, we were always baking and making pies for friends and family. And we just decided, hey, one day, let's try and see if we could reopen our bakery, another bakery up, and this is how the Hawaiian Pie Company came about. Our pie company is different because we like to feature Hawaii's flavors, things that you can find here. For example, we have a pog pear pie, which is passion orange, guava, pear. Our most popular pie is our passion pear. And that is a blend of pear and lilikoi. And then we top it with our Hawaiian topping, which is like a soft, buttery macaroon. We do everything from scratch. What they do is you can see the timing when they're making the crust. There's always a special way of making it so that it comes out flaky. First Hawaiian has always been there for us. When we decided we wanted to reopen the bakery, they were there kind of guiding us because I didn't know what a business plan was at that time. With the support of First Hawaiian Bank, we were able to get through all the challenges of, getting financing or what have you. If they hadn't been encouraging the way they were, you would never have seen Hawaiian Pie Company. I'm most proud of our growth. In the short period of time that we've been in business, I'm very, very proud of that. And I'm proud of our team. You have to take that chance and you have to take the creative chance too. And we couldn't be here today without the support we get.